Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn about how to make layers, pages, and components. So this is a project from previous video. So as you can see, we have two layers, that is MacBook Pro 2 and MacBook Pro 1. And inside it has like vectors, ellipse, circles, and all that, also the text. And if you want to create a new page, like a blank page, I'm going to just click on this plus button. And if you want to rename it, you can just rename it whatever you want. For now, I'm going to choose page 2, press enter, and you can see the space is completely empty now. But if I want this frame to move from page 1 to page 2, or I just want to copy, you can just press Ctrl C and just go to page 2 and press Ctrl V. And you can see our frame from page 1, it is now into frame 2, and we just copied one frame. Let's say if you want to copy all the things from page 1 to page 2, go to page 1 and select all the frames by using Ctrl A or Command A on the Mac, and Ctrl C for copy. Now go to page 2 and press Ctrl V, and you can see all the things from page 1, it is now on page 2. So it is about the pages, and you can see these are the layers, the MacBook Pro 2 and Pro 1. So these are the layers. And let's say I have this circle, but it is a logo and I want to use it again and again. I can make this logo into component. Like select this circle, go to top of the bar menu, and you can see this middle icon, that is create a component, and the shortcut is Ctrl Alt K, and click on it. And if we go into assets, you can see the MacBook Pro 1 and the component is ellipse 2, like this. And if you want to use this, you can just drag it on the screen like this. It is going to help when you are working with lots of frames or big project. So those are all the things about layers, pages, and assets. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.